Uy, I'm sorry, maliit ang gamay.
Kanang kuan ma'am. Echo.
Hindi,
sa
kagatawa
imong
lang.
kuan.
Kagatawa ka. Sure. Hi everyone, hi future teachers.
Hello ma'am. So,
Igo.
for a while. Can you hear us clearly lang man ma'am no?
Yeah.
Notify lang us ma'am ha if ever mag-choppy. Thank you so much. Okay, so good afternoon ma'am. We are students from Cebu Normal University. Particularly, we are Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Science, 3rd years. And we are currently taking the course EDUC 13 or the, what we call the Teacher and the Community School Culture and Organizational Leadership. And we are conducting this interview to gain insights on school management and leadership. And your responses will only be used for academic purposes. So we would like to ask for permission if is it okay na i-record na mo ang interview since amo man siya i-present sa amo ang subject.
Sige lang. It will be okay.
So to start, mag-ask me sa kanang full name ni mo ma'am.
My name is Daniela and Pinote Nasilia.
Okay, congratulations kay ma'am.
Hmm?
Change sa imong name ma'am. Daniela. And then, what is your current position or title sa school right now?
I am currently a school principal 1 of Tuburan 2 District.
Tuburan 2 District. Grabe ma'am, if ever wala akong istoryaan sa akong kuya nga na principal ka kay wa sa jud ko kahibaw, na-shock na lang ko hala. Principal na tayo si Ma'am Dan. Congratulations.
Diba? Ay, nag-chika ni si Ezra. Sige.
Oh, sa ate si Ma'am Dan, principal na di ay ko ha? Principal na tayo si Ma'am Dan. Wala to siya. Kaya ma'am kanang what is the full name sa school you are currently assigned to?
I am assigned to one of the mountain schools in Tuburan 2, Ireneo V. Diamante National High School.
National High School.
Mm-hmm.
Kumusta man ang school ma'am? Nice ang weather dira kay naman sa mountain.
Oy, yes, in fairness lang jud. Di kita kapuyon kay ang amuang station no murami og kuan. Magkita mig sea of clouds every day.
Mura ra mo gaanuan.
Yes. Padung sa naog kay nindot kay kanang sunset. Kay na may sa buntod so padung mi naog so ang sunset nimo kay nagi siya sa front as in dili sa kanang imo pang taon dito sa squad na lagi siya padung nimo naog sige na siya sunset.
Gikabog di ay ang view sa convention nga fourth floor.
Lahi po to siya nga kuan. Lahi po siya nga istorya ang fourth floor. Kay dagat-dagat man diri kay mountain man dito sa Ireneo. Yeah.
Mo-visit ako dira. Supposed to be mo-visit ko sa imo sa convention. Nya, ikaw layuan na ni Ma'am Dan ay asam siya pa doon.
Yung napitaw ko ko, masaag na ako mga babies. They can't see me na sa convention. Igato nila kayo, ma-disappoint sa kawas na kita na ko. Char! Ito eh.
Ngita ko sa imo ma'am. So, for the next question, ma'am, kay how long na have you been a principal?
I am just 8 months fresh. 8 months fresh sa position as the school principal 1. Yeah, so I just fully nasod ko sa Cebu province with the position principal 1, second quarter of this school year. So I really ended the school year karon. So ako nisud ko og second quarter sa ba July 31 is second quarter. Second quarter of the school year dayon ako man nagtud ko. So 8 months last March 31. Exactly 8 months ang pag-March 31.
Bago-bago pa siya, mo na nga, bago pa sa ko nakahibaw. Okay, so what siya ang getting to know you nga questions. Now we're moving on sa kanang interview proper. And para sa first segment kay ang interview kay si Miss Bebida and she will be introducing herself before she will question you about some things.
Okay.
Okay, so good afternoon, Ma'am Nasilia. I am Honey Faith Bibida, and I am the first one to ask some valuable insights from you po. So thank you so much, Ma'am, for taking the time to be part of this interview po, Ma'am. So the purpose of this is to better understand how schools contribute to students' social development.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So to begin po, ma'am, so the first question, so as a school head, how do you see the role of the school in shaping students' values, attitudes, and behavior?
Wow, ka-broad nga question. Okay, sige. For me, school is really essential no in shaping values sa mga bata kay really if you're going to look at no the timeline and how much students spend time in school and outside of the school, mas daghan og oras ang spend sa students inside the school. So that is why values integration and at the same time inculcating the core values of the school, the community, and in my side, DepEd, kay it is really essential and it is really our job, the teacher's job, no particularly kay they are kanang first hand man gyud sila nga